Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm gonna show you how to leave a review as a seller or as a freelancer in Fiverr. So as you can see, we're currently on the seller dashboard, and we'll just go through this tab right here. And you'll see this page, and right here it says that reviews and ratings and reviews play a vital role in promoting a trustworthy experience within the Fiverr marketplace. That and the public review section allows buyers to read completed and, in some cases, cancel orders, leave written feedback, and optionally share our example. So just go down below here. And here, scroll down a little till you get here. So as you can see, it says that providing a review as a freelancer. So first is once your order is complete, your buyer will be able to leave a review. Second, as soon as a buyer adds their review, you will receive a notification allowing you the option to leave a review of your own. Third is only after you submit your review of the buyer, both reviews will become visible on the platform. And fourth, as a freelancer, you'll be able to leave a public comment on a buyer's review, which will be visible on your gig. So when leaving a review or comment on a review, please remain respectful and represent your business in a positive way. And remember, your communication will be visible to potential buyers. So that's all, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.